Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to recover our TikTok account without our phone number or email. So let's get started. At first let's get into the TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now to continue you can simply go through Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram account. But today, let's go to the first option, that is phone number or email, that is at first. Now, since we are not using our phone number or email, we need to get into this question mark option in the top right corner. Now click on recover your account. Now click on TikTok username. Now you need to type your username here. So let's type it. Now click on next. Now since we do not have our phone number, click on need help in the bottom. Now here we need to give our feedback. You can simply copy this format. So let's click on submit now. So this is how you can report a problem about your TikTok recovery. So that was all about how to recover your TikTok account without phone number. So I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.